Welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are looking at one max Olympiad problem. So here solve x comma y belongs to integers 3x square plus y square minus 4y minus 17 whole cube minus 2x square plus 2y square minus 4y minus 6 whole cube is equal to x square minus y square minus 11 whole cube. So you have to find all possible integer solutions of this equation of cubic equation. So here some logic is there. Before going to the problem, pause the video and try to do it for 10 seconds. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. Now let's solve this problem. So here let us take a is equal to 3x square plus y square minus 4y minus 17. The first bracket you are taking as a, the second bracket you are taking as b. 2x square plus 2y square minus 4y minus 6 is b, and the third one you are taking as c. X square minus y square minus 11. Now it will change as a cube minus b cube is equal to c cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to c cube. So you can write it as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is equal to c cube. So this c cube can be written as c into c square. C into c square. So this value is less value. So you are taking a minus b is equal to c. A minus b is equal to c. Now if you do squaring on both sides, here you'll get a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to c square. Now a square plus b square is equal to c square minus c square plus 2ab. A square plus b square is equal to c square plus 2ab. Now c cube, here c cube is given. C cube is equal to a minus b into, so here a square b square value you can write as c square plus 2ab plus ab. So c cube is equal to a minus b are taking as c, c into c square plus 3ab. So c cube is equal to c cube plus 3abc. So here you get 3abc is equal to 0. That implies abc is equal to 0. Now here we will get two cases. If abc is equal to 0, case 1, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0. Okay, case 2, c is equal to 0. That implies a is equal to b. Okay, now we'll take case 1. Okay. Sorry, here case 2. Case 2, First case a equal to 0, second case b equal to 0, third case c equal to 0, that implies a equal to b. Case 1 a equal to 0. So here 3x square minus y square minus 4y minus 17 is equal to 0. So this can be written as 3x square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 21. So here 3 divides 21 and y minus 2 whole square divides 21. Now possible values of y is equal to 5, 2, minus 1. So here you should get 3 multiples. So here 3 you have to get 5 minus 2, 3 will get here 2, 2 minus 2, 0 will get here minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 3 will get. Now if you substitute the values here, you will get the solutions. So here 2 comma 5. Another one you will get minus 2 comma 5. Next you will get 2 comma minus 1 minus 2 comma minus 1. These are the 4 possible values you will get. So here if you take first value, how you are getting 2 minus 5. So here in the place of y I am taking 5. Just I am showing one case. 3x square plus 9. If you write 5 here, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2, 3 square 9 equal to 21. 3x square is equal to 12. X square is equal to 4. That implies plus or minus 2. So here y value 5. We are getting plus 2. Y value 5. We are getting minus 2 also. Like that you have to complete the problem. Now I will take case 2. B is equal to 0. If B is equal to 0, then what will get here? 2x square minus plus 2y square minus 4y minus 6 equal to 0. So if you remove taking 2 common, x square plus y square minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. So this can be written as x square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 4. Here also the possible values, it should be 2 square means multiple of 4 you have to get 3 minus 1 1. So the possible solutions what will get here? Possible solutions 0 comma 3. If you keep here 3 minus 1, you'll get 2, 2 square 4. 4 minus 4 will get 0, x value. 0 minus 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 1. So here previously the value 2 does not satisfy here. Now these are the possible solutions if you substitute here. Now case 3. C equal to 0. That implies A equal to B. C equal to 0 implies A equal to B. What is C value? X square minus y square minus 11 equal to 0. So here x square minus y square is equal to 11. So x plus y into x minus y is equal to 11. So we'll continue here. So here x plus y is equal to 11 by x minus y. So the possible values of x minus y will be 11, 1, minus 1, minus 11. Now if you substitute these values here, so I am doing one value, I am taking 11, x plus y is equal to 1, x minus y equal to 11, x minus y I am taking 11. So if you substitute here 11, you will get x plus y 1. So here 2x equal to 12, x equal to 6, y is equal to 5. So here the values solutions will get here you'll get the solutions 6 comma 5, 6 comma minus 5, minus 6 comma 5, minus 6 comma 5. So if you check the solutions, how you are getting the solutions. Now possible solutions, possible solutions, we are getting 12 solutions. Okay, all the solutions I am writing here, possible solutions. Okay, ma. So what are the possible solutions you are getting? 6 comma 5, 6 comma minus 5, minus 6 5, minus 6 5. So here we'll get 2 comma 5, minus 2 5, 2 comma minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, 0 comma 3, 0 comma minus 1, 2 comma 1, minus 2 comma 1. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.